Hey guys, what's up? If you're looking for a delicious way to start your iftar, try this version of your favorite chicken tikka donuts. It's made using chicken and potatoes. So don't skip this video, watch till it ends. Give a big thumbs up below if you like this video. So let's have a look on my video. In a bowl, add 500 grams of chicken boneless, add 1 teaspoon ginger and garlic paste, 1 tablespoon curd, 1 tablespoon mustard oil, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 tablespoon chicken tikka masala or chicken tandoori masala, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder. To this I am adding 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon garam masala, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder, salt 1 teaspoon, adjust as per your taste. Mix well and set aside for 15 minutes. And now I am going to add 1 to 2 tablespoon oil in a saucepan. Place marinated chicken pieces. Shallow fry till it becomes golden brown. And now I am going to shift this in food processor. To this I am adding 2 boiled potatoes, 1 chopped green chilies, this is optional, half cup chopped onion, 2 slices of bread. Close the lid, mince the chicken and set aside. To make the donuts, make small balls out of the mixture. Flatten them slightly. Make a hole in the middle of each donut. Meanwhile, heat oil for deep frying in a large pan. Beat the eggs and set aside. I have placed the breadcrumbs in a separate plate or bowl. And now dip each donut first in egg mixture and then coat with breadcrumbs. Remove excess breadcrumbs and set aside. Drop it in hot oil. Fry donuts flipping occasionally until they are browned. Remove donuts from oil, drain on an absorbent towel and serve with your favorite dip. You can also freeze these donuts for up to 3 weeks. The lovely and cute donuts in a savory version is totally amazing. Don't they look awesome? So do try this at home and let me know how it turned out for you. Snap a pic and tag us on our Instagram page shimis.kitchen. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and when you do, click that little bell icon. See you in our next video with more such amazing recipes. Have a nice day and happy cooking.